Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on linking your Xbox account to your Fortnite Epic Games account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up a web browser on either your Xbox mobile or PC. Once in the web browser, go to epicgames.com. Click Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Log in to your Epic Games account here, or click Sign Up to create a new one. Once you're logged in, hover on your username at the top right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. On your account page, open Connections from the left sidebar. On the Connections screen, click the Accounts tab. Find Xbox and click Connect below it. This screen is warning you that once you link your account to an Xbox account, you won't be able to connect it to another one later, even if you unlink it. Select Link Account to continue. You will now be taken to the Microsoft login page, where you will need to sign in to your Xbox account and confirm that you want to link it to Epic Games. Your Xbox and Fortnite Epic Games accounts are now connected. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.